Hi, Adam here with Inspired LED. Today we will be taking a look at the wide range of products in our inventory to get a sense for the types of low voltage lighting systems we offer. At Inspired LED, we specialize in the design of cost-effective, energy-efficient lighting for homes and businesses. We offer a variety of components that can be mixed and matched to create the perfect balance of function and form for any application. Let's begin with our 12-volt rigid LED panels. Low profile with simple plug-in connections, these are perhaps the quickest and easiest systems to install. Many are available in pre-made kits both on our web store and Amazon.com. Inspired LED panels come in a basic Pro Series model and a Designer Series model featuring either a clear or frosted lens. Both are sold in fixed lengths and are available in cool, pure, or warm white color temperatures. When purchased in a pre-made kit, the Pro Series and Designer Series panels will come with everything you need to connect, power, and control your lights. Of course, every lighting project is different. Some applications will require different lengths and brightness levels, which is why we also offer a range of flexible LED strips. Available in both 12 and 24 volts, Inspired LED flex strips offer the same high-quality illumination and energy efficiency as our rigid panels, with the added benefit of both flexibility and customization. Specially designed for longevity and ease of modification, our flex strips are perhaps the most versatile of all our products. We offer a range of brightness levels and color temperatures, including RGBW, which can be adjusted to any color of the rainbow. Regardless of color or style, Inspired LED flex strips feature the same wide copper pads which allow connectors to be attached at various lengths. Our in-house manufacturing team can make sizes to fit your exact specifications, or you can make your own in-field using our patented solderless connectors. Inspired LED Tiger Paws offer a convenient but reliable way to cut and connect LED strips in-field. They come in a variety of sizes and styles, offering different ways to terminate your lights to cable. Whether you're using our proprietary 3.5mm interconnect cables or bulk 16 to 22 gauge wire. The beauty of these connectors is that no matter which style you choose, they each require just a few simple steps to install. Contractors and electricians can save time and money by ordering in bulk and creating custom length strips on the go. By modifying and enhancing our flexible LED strips, our manufacturing team is able to create other custom products such as our radiant edge or angle adjust tubes in a variety of colors and brightness levels. For those interested in creating their own custom panels or LED fixtures, we offer a range of channels and lenses which allow you to do just that. Using our Do-It-Yourself Idea Series or Radiant Edge series products, you can upgrade flexible LED strips by simply adhering to an aluminum backing, snapping a lens in place, and adding end caps on either side. While our LEDs may be the stars of our product line, they would not be able to shine without an equally impressive stock of accessories. And next to selecting your lights, the next most important item to consider is your power source. Inspired LED offers two main types of power supplies. First are the plug-in models, which resemble cell phone or computer chargers. These connect to standard 110-volt AC outlets and are compatible with different inline controllers and remotes. These semi-permanent plug-in systems are recommended most for home DIYers, renters, or other projects where cable cannot be run behind the wall. Compatible plug-in controllers will always be positioned as the middleman between the power supply and your LED lights. We also offer hardwire transformers, which are designed to be connected directly to high voltage lines from a compatible wall dimmer switch before continuing on to your lights. These must be installed by a licensed electrician, but provide the seamless look of a fully integrated lighting system. Once your power and compatible control devices have been selected, the last step is to simply connect all the pieces of your LED system together. Inspired LED offers a variety of standard and custom length interconnect cables for the simplest plug-in systems, as well as a bulk 18 and 22 gauge wire for installers looking to make their own connections. With such a wide variety of products, Inspired LED takes pride in being able to create cost-effective, energy-efficient lighting solutions for just about anyone. But we are always excited to take on new challenges. If you would like assistance with your next lighting project, take advantage of our complimentary design services by visiting www.inspiredled.com/design-service. Or you can email us at design@inspiredled.com. Our expert design team works with customers and contractors alike to create specialized products and systems for unique applications. For more information about Inspired LED's products and services, contact us by email at orders@inspiredled.com, or you can give us a call at 480-941-4286.